In this video, I will show you how to fix and resolve Discord setup.exe installation has failed. So to resolve this problem, click on Start and Settings. Now here guys, click on Apps, then Default Apps, Installed Apps. So in this list, you have to find out Discord. Just search here. This one. Click on these three dots and uninstall. Again, click on Uninstall. So once you uninstall successfully, exit and restart your system. After restart, search Discord on any Windows system. Search Discord on any web browser, then download. And once you download it, process complete. Double click on this setup file and install a fresh and latest version of Discord. Hopefully guys, using this method you can fix and resolve all errors and problems for Discord in your Windows system. Thanks for watching. Comment in this video work for you or not.